this video, we are going to talk about Framer's UI. And now, as you can see, I'm inside Framer and I have my projects here. This is the home page, if you will. And what we need to care about, the only thing we need to care about right now is this button right here. It says new project. So let's click it. Now we have opened up a new project and here we are. So this is our main work area. And as you can see, it has different sections, different parts. We have the left panel, we have the top bar, we have the right panel, we have the canvas, which is at the center of the screen, and we have our floating button, our floating bar at the bottom. So let's go over the left panel real quick. As you can see, we are in the Pages tab. All of our pages will be here. Right now, we have only one page. And the next tab is the Layers tab. Right now, we only have the primary layer, which is the page, and we can add layer. And right now, we have two layers, two frames. Next, we have the Assets tab. And here we can have templates, components, styles, vectors, and codes. So now let's discuss the top bar. Here we have the canvas, the CMS, localization, analytics, settings, etc. And the next one is the insert panel. We can add icons, shaders, media, forms, add interactive elements, and other things. And next we have our layout tools. We have the frame, stack, grid, etc. And then we have the text tool. It's pretty straightforward. You just add it and add your text. Next we have our vector tools right here. And at the center of the top bar, you can click on the name of the project and change it. And from the right side of the top bar, we have the preview button and we have the publish button. Now, at the center of our screen, we have our canvas. In the middle of our canvas, right now, we have our page. Everything we will publish, everything we want to publish goes into our page. We can have our drafts right here. We can have our designs right here. And whatever we want to publish goes in our pages. So now I'm going to add a layer so we can discuss the right panel. And as you can see, from the right panel, we can change the properties of our layers. For example, right now, we have the blue color of our frame. We can change it from the right panel, just like this. Now, the final part we need to discuss is the floating bar at the bottom. As you can see, we have select, pan, comment, theme, and zooming options. The select tool just lets you select objects on the screen. The pan tool lets you move around the canvas. The comment tool allows you to add your comments. And we have also this one. This icon allows you to change the theme from dark to light and vice versa. And we have the zoom options right here. Now, let's talk about a few shortcuts. You can use the space bar to select the pan tool and navigate. So just press the space bar, click, drag, and release, just like this. If you want to zoom in, just use the keyboard shortcut Control+. Or if you want to zoom out, Control minus. If you want to set the zoom properties to 100%, you can use Shift and 0. So that is it for this lesson. I want to keep it short and light, and I will see you in the next one.